And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this anti-blue light screen protector. So this will fit a 27-inch screen. This is a 1-pack, and so you'd be able to put this over your 27-inch computer monitor and not have to worry about the blue light coming through, which is bad for your eyes. So nothing to really show you in terms of an unboxing. So I'm just going to take this out, put it on my 27-inch monitor, and show you how it works right here. So this is everything that comes with this. So you see there's a little note about the protective cover on this. You got to peel this off. Little installation guide, little screen cleaning cloth, and these are your mounts. You just pull these out and they go in the holes here and here. So you can take this and set it here on front of your 27-inch screen. Let's put it on there now. And these just easily slide right out and pop right into place. This also tells you the front as well as the back. So make sure you put those on the right way, where this is the back. Now that these are on, I can peel off the film and stick it right on my monitor. And there you have it. It's in place. Can't really even tell that it's there, but just sits right on top. Now your screen's protected and your eyes are protected. And if you really wanted to know, I have a tester. So I'm gonna actually put this to the test. I'll essentially take this card and put behind the screen, and I'll show you with this. You can see how blue it is. Now, let me put this behind here, and in front of the screen, you can take this, and if you notice, it doesn't get through. See how there's no blueness on the actual white piece? That means that this is stopping the blue light. Very, very cool. So thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.